So let's wash it to make it completely clean. We got peppers, green pepper, and red pepper. Oh, look at this one. Oh, carrot. Oh, we have zucchini, tomatoes, and mushrooms, lemon. So we start chopping the mushrooms. Next, go to the pepper. We should chop the pepper into small pieces. So, the other pepper. Next one is zucchini. Cut it in half. Cut it in half. An onion and a potato. So onions are ready as well. So next one is meat. We add all the potatoes that we had chopped. Tomatoes. It's time to add carrots. So it's time to add spices to the food. So we add cheese as well. A little bit is enough. So we're almost done. Amazing.
It's a delicious food.
I cannot wait.
Yeah, we can't wait.
All right.
So what's your opinion about it?
The most important part, my idea, is that you're eating a simple food, which is made of simple vegetables, without doing any special things in the nature.
Yeah, in the nature.
Eating in the nature is something that you cannot compare it with any other things.
We're eating this food exactly at the fire.
Oh yeah.
I feel great. I feel really great that we're sitting on the top of the mountain and we're eating.
Yeah, and
Really?
let me tell you something, guys. You cannot feel it unless you try it.
I totally agree with this.